What's the meaning of CM? CM. CM.
CM. CM. The term CM can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In the field of measurement, cm can stand for centimeter, a metric unit used to measure length or distance, equivalent to 1/100th of a meter. In other contexts, cm may also refer to the abbreviation of other phrases or terms, such as customer management, configuration management, or content management. To accurately determine the meaning of cm, it is important to consider the context of its usage.